या मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना है, बट मुझे कोई भी आइडिया नहीं है कहाँ से शुरू करते हैं, कैसे शुरू करते हैं। लाइक मैं यूट्यूब पे बस वीडियो स्क्रॉल करे जा रही हूँ, बट नहीं समझ आ रहा कि बोलना कैसे और कहाँ से शुरू करूँ। सब बोल रहे कि बोलना स्टार्ट कर। ऐसे थोड़ी ना बोल सकती हूँ, कुछ पता ही नहीं है, कैसे सीखूँ ये, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, स्टेप क्या होते हैं। अगर ऐसा आपको भी लगता है या आप भी फील करते हैं तो दिस वीडियो इज फॉर यू। Hello, people out there. I'm Rashya Yadav. Welcome to day 1 of my 10-day series where I'll take you from zero to confident English speaking completely from scratch. Now, people maybe think grammar is a first step, but no, the real first step of learning any language is listening. And today I'll show you how listening actually trains your brain for English. Why listening comes first. Before we speak any language, we listen it. Babies listen for months before they say even single word because listening prepares your brain. It builds your foundation. Listening is not just hearing a word, it's shaping your brain to understand English naturally. And here is how it's work. First, your brain start catching pattern. When you listen regularly, your brain recognize sentence pattern, word order, rhythm, tone, and you understand English without translating in your head. Now, second is you learn natural real life English. Listening express you to how actually people speak. Short form expressions, speech, real English, not textbook English. Third is vocabulary grows automatically. When you hear the same word in different situation, in different sentences, you remember them naturally. You understand the meaning from the situation, not from memorizing. Fourth is you pick up accent, tone, emotion. You understand how say emotions, pauses, stress, and it will help you to understand meaning even when you don't know every word in English. Fifth point is you get comfortable with fast English. Like in the beginning, everything feels fast, but when you consistently listening, trains your ear, and slowly you catching up more words and full sentences. Okay, listening reduce fear, hesitation because when you listen English regularly, daily basis, your confidence develop more because your mind get familiar with the language. 7. You think less and understand more. Like you stop translating Hindi to English. And here the secret of fluency. When you stop thinking, translating in your head, then fluency come. So basically, the more you listen, the more you understand, and the more you understand, the more you confidently speak English. Okay. So अगर परेशान हो चुके हो लिसन लिसन सुन के तो अब बताने वाली हूँ कि क्या सुनना है कब से बोली जा रही है लिसन 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 बता भी दे बहन क्या सुनना क्या है हमें तो बता रही हूँ व्हाट यू शुड लिसन टू सो यू डोंट नीड difficult content small start small like YouTube short video kid stories and slow podcasts slow videos basically it's a depend on you your interest listen what content you actually like because if you're interest in some particular thing and you listen about those things you don't get bored. Okay, when you don't get bored easily so you give more time to listen English content but basically it's 10 to 15 minutes is enough for starting English speaking English learning English listening. Now how to listen if you don't know the correct method how to listen is so here is the right solution because you don't have to pay attention all the words in starting like just my experience I am sharing how I listen. So listen once without pausing, focus on the flow not every word, then listen re again first listen once without any pausing, don't focus every word, focus on flow, then re listen again and catching familiar words. That's how I start to listen so that I am not like focusing on every word and don't get what they are saying. So in starting, I have to focus on the flow. Then slowly I catching familiar words, and that's how listening slowly get better for me. Yeah, that's it for this video. One more thing is, I'm not professional in it. It's just what I know about learning English. It just I share with you. Yeah, always remember in your mind. Please don't criticize if I did any mistake or I do any mistake, because I'm saying I mean it. I'm not professional on it, this particular language. I'm still a learner. It's just what I learn. I want to share with you guys. That's why I do. So I hope you understand it. And if you enjoy, so please like, share, subscribe. And yeah, Radhe Radhe.